Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a full review of the Leisure Time Spa 56 Chlorinating Granules. And I'll tell you, number one, the reason that I like this and I've used it for years is because it works. I also like the fact that I can get this in a 5-pound versus a lot of brands only the 1 or 2 pounds, but let's jump into it so you see exactly what you're gonna get. I like the fact that it has this safety lock right here with the tabs, and as you can see right here, it says to open, you're going to squeeze here and turn. So you'll squeeze and turn to open it up. And once you open it up, it also comes with the scoop right there. So you can either pour it out or scoop it. And what I'm going to do, it has a nice long handle here so you're not getting your fingers down into the chlorine. I'm going to scoop in here. I need to put just about 3.5 ounces in here, right there. And then once again, the scoop can go right back down in there like that. And then I will go ahead and close this up. And typically what I do is sprinkle this in and then turn the hot tub on low. So I'll go ahead and do that here and put this on low and sprinkle that in right there. Overall, like I said, I've used this for years and I've been really happy with it. Bottom line, because it works.